They were the nation chosen by Allah, granted prophets, books, and miracles, but again and again they rebelled. Who were Bani Israel, and why does the Qur'an mention them more than any other nation? The story of Bani Israel begins in Egypt under the cruel rule of Pharaoh. Fearing the rise of a savior, Pharaoh ordered the killing of all newborn boys from Bani Israel. But Allah saved one child, Musa alayhi salam, who was raised in Pharaoh's own palace. Years later, Musa alayhi salam was chosen by Allah as a prophet to free Bani Israel. He faced Pharaoh with courage and showed miracles like the glowing hand and the staff turning into a snake. But Pharaoh refused, so Allah sent plagues, blood, frogs, lice, and more. Finally, with Allah's command, Musa led Bani Israel out of Egypt. The greatest miracle happened. The Red Sea split, and they crossed safely. Pharaoh and his army drowned behind them. But the tests didn't end. On Mount Sinai, Musa alayhi salam received the Torah, Allah's commandments. Yet in his absence, Bani Israel worshipped a golden calf, a major act of disobedience. Despite their sin, Allah continued his mercy. He sent manna and salwa, heavenly food, and water from a rock. Still, they complained and rejected Allah's commands. When ordered to fight for the Holy Land, they refused. So Allah punished them with 40 years of wandering in the desert. Musa alayhi salam passed away, never entering the Promised Land. Bani Israel later received more prophets: Yusha, Dawood, Sulaiman, Zachariah, Yahya, and Isa alayhi salam. But each time, some followed, and many rebelled. The Qur'an tells us the story of Bani Israel not just as history, but as a warning. When Allah gives blessings, don't be ungrateful. Obedience, gratitude, and patience are the path to success. The story of Bani Israel is our mirror. Will we learn or repeat the same mistakes?